Donald Trump President berimjang ka Amerika ulalat thiaw nakajingyap hadian biki Runar kila ther kuli shaka jaka bo Ioh Katba udang Ialap Elekshon hinin kesengi ha Pennsylvania. Hashwa ka election u President jangka US but ubai ukuli ula say hakabenta bashalor jangka Shkor Kamanjang u hado ba u Trump ula place na. Kitanat pulir FBI mar kila mare shakate ke jaka bayeng Ialap election u Trump but care saudang banyadaya u but ra shakaway pat ke jaka but katkum ka khubor bala yolum ubay ubreu basang marjan hakate ke jaka ula khlat no but arngut kila men saujer shushu ubay Runar Donkti hakate ke kam ula Shah Siat yapno but bala tip keteng kum Thomas Matthew Crooks badang arpos nem karta but kurup ru ko way kasuloi.
See something that said, take a look at what happened.
Move it spare. Hold. When you're ready. On you.
Ready?
Move.
Up.
Move. Go.
Up. Hawkeye's here.
We ready?
Okay, we are watching live at a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania, where former President Trump was speaking on the stage. There has been some kind of disturbance that clearly sets law enforcement and Secret Service into motion, immediately jumping around the former president in a protective mode. The crowd has been screaming. They are standing by. You can hear some voices there saying, "Are we ready to go? Are we ready to go?" We are looking at President Trump. This does not look good. I'm going to be honest with you, from what we can see right here, it looks like they are attempting to move him out, that he may have been injured. He is holding up his arm. He is pumping his fist, but clearly Secret Service wants to get him out of this situation.
Thank you.